my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. My name is LaPortia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions taste test type thing. It's lunchtime, I'm hungry, I'm out of meal preps, but when I went grocery shopping the last time, I did get a cauliflower pizza crust that I want to try out because I like to make my own pizzas at home. But since I'm trying to eat healthier and bread makes me bloat, makes me bigger in my midsection, I decided to try out a cauliflower pizza crust. So I'm going to try that out today and let y'all know how I like it. Now I'm going to be making a veggie pizza. So I have a bunch of veggies in my refrigerator that I'm going to use to make it. And I just wanted to show y'all me making it and me tasting it and what I think of it. So yeah, let me show y'all which one I got. So I got this Green Giant, can y'all see it? I got this Green Giant cauliflower pizza crust. It says made with over 80% cauliflower, 16 grams of carbs per serving, 50% fewer calories than regular pizza crust. And it's an original flavor, and it's from Green Giant. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And I've never had cauliflower crust, but I've heard it's good, but you know, everybody's taste buds are different, so we're gonna see for me. But yeah, let's get to it. So according to the cooking directions, I have to preheat my oven to 425. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna cut up the vegetables that I'm going to throw on it. So let's go ahead and preheat this oven. So now that I got my oven preheating, I'm just going to go in the refrigerator and grab my vegetables and start cutting them up while I let the oven preheat. I'm going to use some spinach, some mushrooms, some baby Bella mushrooms. What else? Oh, and for my cheese, I'm gonna be using these fresh mozzarella pearls. I love these things on my pizza instead of the shredded mozz. I love these. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic on it, which is kind of weird, but I like garlic on my homemade pizzas, so I'm gonna use that too. And I have bell peppers that I'm gonna use, of course. I got green bell pepper, and then I have yellow, red, and orange. I'm gonna throw some feta cheese on there too. I love feta. But I'm also going to cut up an onion, a red onion, and I'm gonna go over here and get that. It's not in the fridge, so I'm gonna get that too. And these are my absolute favorite onions to cook with. I love how they taste in everything. So these are like the only onions that I use when I cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping up what needs to be chopped. The spinach doesn't. The only thing I need to chop is the bell peppers, my onion, and my mushrooms. So let's go do that. Okay, the instructions on the cauliflower crust said for it to bake 14 to 16 minutes by itself and then put my toppings on and put it in the oven. So I put it in the oven, I put my timer on for 14 minutes, and I'm hoping these 14 minutes go by pretty quick because I'm very hungry. So yeah, that's all I'm waiting on. And then when it comes out, I'm gonna put everything on it. And as y'all saw, I chopped up the vegetables that I want to put on it. So it's all my bell peppers, my onions, my mushrooms. So all that's waiting, everything is waiting. Like I'm just waiting on the crust to do its thing, and then I'm gonna make the pizza and pop it back into the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes, so the directions say, and then I can eat it. And I just remembered I had some sun-dried tomatoes, so I'm also gonna throw some of those on there. So yeah, but yeah, I'm hoping to hurry up because I'm hungry. So I took my crust out the oven, and now I can start putting my, oh, it's sticking, baby. Okay, Now I can start putting my toppings on it. And the sauce that I'm using today is not a pizza sauce. It's just a regular old pasta sauce. But it's what I wanted, so that's what I'm going to use. It's roasted garlic pasta sauce. And I'm only going to use a little bit of it. Like, even when I get pizza from, like when I order pizza, I always get light sauce. I don't like a lot of sauce. So I'm only going to use a little bit. And spread it around, spread it around. Get a little bit more. Get some of these edges. And I'm hoping this crust won't be too hard to chew with my braces, because I'm gonna be mad. Okay, that's enough sauce. And that's a little bit more than I usually would put, but it's all good. It's all good. So next, I'm going to put a bed of spinach down. Get spinach. Not going to use too much, because since this crust is pretty small, I don't want to overload it with the toppings. That's enough spinach. Now I'm going to go in with the toppings that I cut up. And I'm just going to start layering them. Just putting it on there. And I know I'm not going to use them all, but I can just put them in the refrigerator and use them at another time. But yeah, I want to get a good bit of mushrooms on there, because to me, mushrooms could really take the place of meat. So I want to get some mushrooms on there, get some onions on there, get some more peppers, get some orange ones on there. I'm going to put all my mushrooms on there. That's my meat. Okay, now, is this thing still hot? This is how we looking so far. I still have to add my garlic, and I still need to add my sun-dried tomatoes and my mozzarella pearls. So I'm gonna do that. Put the pearls on first. I love these pearls. Love them. So I'm just gonna start dropping the pearls all over the pizza, and I want them to be a good amount of them. That way they can spread. Let's see, that might be enough, because I'm still gonna go in with a little bit of feta too. That's enough of that. I'm going to get some garlic and spread it around. Yeah, all that fell in one spot, but that's okay. Spread it around. Then I'm gonna get some sun-dried tomatoes and drop them on, even with some of that oil too, because ooh, it's good. That ought to be enough of that. Then I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of feta on top. I love feta. And last but not least, I'm gonna throw on some of these herbs de Provence. I guess that's how you pronounce it, but I like these, so I'm gonna throw that on there too. So this is how my pizza's looking before I throw it in the oven. So now I'm gonna I'm gonna take a picture of it first so I can put it on Instagram. But I'm gonna take my little picture, and then I'm going to throw it in the oven. Okay, so I took my picture. Now I'm gonna throw it in the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes. Or until my cheese is melted. So, this is my pizza. I'm gonna take some more Instagram pictures, you know, and then I'm gonna cut it up and eat, child. Oh, child, it's kind of crispy. Okay. Okay, this looks so good. Now this is gonna be the test, cause I'm about to taste it and let y'all know what I think. Let's see what piece I want. Don't that look good? Let's try it. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm probably gonna have to cover up my mouth to talk because ain't no telling what's in these braces. But it's really good. Hold on. I'm gonna check. It ain't bad. Okay, it's not bad at all. The texture, it's a little crumbly and crunchy. I'm not mad that it's flat because I like thin crust pizza anyway. The taste, it does not taste like cauliflower at all. It don't taste like a regular pizza crust either, but it don't taste like cauliflower either. But it's not a bad taste, so it's pretty good, pretty darn good. Will I buy it again? Yes. But then again, now that I know that I actually like it, I might try to make my own because, you know, Pinterest got everything. YouTube, you can learn how to do anything. So, yeah, this is a go for me. This is a yes, we shall do this again. We shall meet again type thing. It's really, really good. So, I'm about to go tear this up because like I said, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go tear this up. And thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Go try this out if you haven't already. If you haven't tried cauliflower crust, go try it. If you're looking for a healthier alternative to regular pizza crust anyway, go try it out. Let me know how you like it. Follow me on Instagram at LaPortia and I hope to see you in my next video. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, because I'm hungry.